All right, welcome back, boys and girls. We have day 4 of April daily math. So number 1, here we go. 56 equals something times 8. All right, so with our fact families, we know that 7 times 8 is 56. Okay, if you remember our fact families, it used to be kind of like the old fact triangles that we had back in the day with addition and subtraction, right? So we had a 7 and an 8 here on the bottom, okay? And we're going to have times and division, multiplication, division symbol. So therefore, we know that 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 7 is 56. 56 divided by 7 is 8. 56 divided by 8 is 7. So these three are kind of connected in a unique way, just for those, okay? Number 2, it's basically asking you to write a division equation. So we kind of answered it. Once you know one, you know the rest, right? So we're going to start and say 56 divided by, let's just put 7 down, equals 8. Or 56 divided by 8 equals 7. Doesn't matter which way you do it. Same thing either way. Answer is correct, okay? All right, number 3. Here we go. Number of eggs on milkweed leaves. Mr. Potter's class counted the monarch eggs on 5 milkweed leaves. How many leaves had less than 6 eggs? So if you look over on the chart, we have leaf 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. On leaf 1, there are 2, 4, 6. It only shows 3 eggs, but down here in the key, it says that each oval is worth 2 eggs. So we're going to look at that and say number 1 here, or leaf 1, excuse me, is 2, 4, 6. Well, let's look back at our question again, okay? That says, how many leaves have less than 6 eggs? So it doesn't ask how many have 6 eggs. It's how many less than. So leaf 1 does not count. Leaf 2, there are only 2, 4. There are 4 eggs, so that does count. That's 1 leaf for us. I'm going to put a little check mark there. Tally mark. Leaf 3 has 2, 4, 6. Again, that's not less than 6. Leaf 4, there's 1 oval, which means 2 eggs. There's another one. Leaf 5 has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So how many leaves have less than 6 eggs? 2 leaves. Okay, I went and did just a little bit of work ahead of time. I put the number 4 on here, kind of drew a little. It's not quite as long as yours, but it's about the same thing here. So draw a polygon on this grid that has a perimeter of 34. Now, if you remember, perimeter is the area around, like the rim, perimeter, okay? The fence around the farm. Now, we're going to go through and we're going to draw that perimeter on here. So it's not that, remember, the area is the part in the middle, right? So let's look at that perimeter. And let's go, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, there's 12. I have 12 all the way across. On your picture, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you have 16, okay? So you might have something a little different than what I have. But I have 12 going across. I'm just going to put a 12 on there as a reminder, okay? And I'm going to need another 12 down here then, which will give me 24. 12 plus 12 is 24. 34 minus that 24 then would be 10. Divided by 2 is 5, so I can go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? I'm going to draw my line over again. Go down. Just so we got her down here, I'm going to draw my thicker line with the black marker. Wow. Get that all the way across there. Okay? All right. So when I look at the perimeter of this, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And there's 12 on top. So 12 plus 12 is 24. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 24 is 34. And I wanted 34 units, okay? Last one here is number 5. On the graph above, there are blank more eggs on leaf 5 than on leaf 3. Well, we should probably just count them, right? So on leaf 5, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On leaf 3, there's 1, 2, 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3, right? There are 3 more eggs on leaf number 3 more eggs on leaf 5 than 3. No, that is not correct. Did I catch you? Or did you catch me? Did you catch it? It is not 3. Remember, each one is worth 2. It's 6. 6 more eggs on leaf 5 than on leaf 3. Oh, I thought maybe I caught you. How many total eggs on the 5 leaves? So leaf 1 has 6. Leaf 2 has 4. Leaf 3 has 6. Leaf 4 has 2. And leaf 5 has 12. Okay, so 6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 is 24. Okay, 4, 5 plus 6 is 30 eggs. Okay, that was the 4 plus the 2 is 6. So again, 6 plus 6 is 12, right? 12 plus that 12 is 24. And then the other 6 is 30. So 30 total eggs on the 5 leaves. All right, boys and girls, thank you much. See you tomorrow.